We are at Disney Springs. Their music. See where it's coming from. John, what are you gonna get?
Half dozen of oysters.
Oh yeah, from the oyster bar?
Oh yeah.
This is still the Boathouse restaurant. Inside now. Wow.
Let's sing it one time. If you all sing it one time, we'll finish the song. Ready? It's a small world. Right now. One more. It's a small world.
Say hi, John. Here's John coming off his throne. Gotcha, John.
Yes. Have a good day. Okay, let's say hi to the crowd.
What's up, crowd? Silver handles right here. Don't touch them, all right?
Okay.
Can we sink?
Oh,
Okay, so
We'll sink.
yeah. Behind you, we got life jackets in case of emergency and one umbrella here, so only one of us won't get wet, all right? Other than that, just stay seated and don't lean over the side, and we'll be good, okay? I trust you guys, I think.
So this is Captain Pat right here. It's gonna take us for a 3-hour tour.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Gilligan's Island.
That's right.
You guys ready?
We're ready.
You ever do this before?
No.
Cool, me neither.
Okay, cool.
Oh, we drenched those ducks.
Ah, poor ducks.
Good.
Good, how you doing?
Good. Where are you guys from?
Detroit, Michigan. How long you been doing this? Is it? Sweet.
the outfit on, so just let me take you.
You bought the costume, right?
Yeah. Awesome. Make it till you make it. It's on a line at the bottom. Yeah, it's gonna be. Guys, you work here.
It's all made out of Legos. So cool. Even got the Star Wars all made out of Legos. We got Chewie. Thank you. Oh. That one, John will get a kick out of that. This is the Lego store. So many Legos. So there's all kinds of Legos in the store. Oh yeah, look at this one, John. Star Wars.
That is so
Mario.
$800 for that.
Oh, come here, look at the...
$800.
Yeah, that's... This whole section is Star Wars. Already busy in here. Everything, all the Lego pieces. Where's that? Hold on. You got Hawk.
This is so sweet.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You got the princesses, Legos, castle.
Here's the castle.
Oh yeah, look at that. I can't get close because people are standing there.
Lego castle, $350.
Yeah.
Hey, there's your Jeep.
Looking for Josh here.
Don, you said you wanted a Jeep, right?
Yeah.
There's your Jeep.
Oh,
Here's your
yeah.
Rubicon. You want me to buy you a Rubicon?
Yeah, that's about what I
There it
get,
is.
right?
Buy you a Rubicon.